I never finished college. And to be completely honest with you, I don't think I need college. And you might feel the exact same about your current situation. On this account, I went from 0 to 20,000 subscribers in just under 3 months, getting over 6 million channel views. I did this by utilizing two things: a passion for history, and then also a trend, which was AI content creation at the time. I completely self-taught myself through watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to edit, generate, and garner attention through AI content creation. And 6 million views later, 20,000 subscribers, I personally look at that as an achievement. Now, after I did that, I then went with my boys to create an app with zero coding experience. And 9 months later, the app's on the App Store called GetFit AI. Why I'm going over this is because we're talking about the fact that if you put enough focus into things, you could learn them and actually do them without school or without the things that society says you need to do these things. So what we're gonna do is Project 2027, where I will be documenting my journey of creating AI tools that actually add value to the marketplace. I will be showcasing exactly how I am creating these tools, advertising these tools, and monetizing these tools to make money. So if this interests you, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. If not, and you're just here for the history content, that content will continue to come. So thank you so much. My name is Bryce Grafton, and I'll see you in the next one.